Anyway, so we're just at Walmart getting some stuff to make some stuffed chicken for dinner, and that is about it. I'm just grabbing some stuff for dinner, and I just saw somebody staring at me. I don't know why it feels so weird today, but I guess because I hadn't vlogged in a while, and then I actually got people looking, so I'm gonna put the camera down here. But yeah, I'm finna go.
Right outside, PT, two-time baby girl, you know me. Oh my, all the niggas round.
Ooh la la la, ooh la la la, ooh la la la, ooh la la la. Ooh la la la, it's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la la, it's the natural law that the refugees bring. Ooh la 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 la, so breathing.
She said, I'm just saying like me, yeah. Why don't you call and you talk to the girl? I'll see my world with you. Waste your time, waste yourself. I'll be honestly, open your eyes and see. Give it what you need. Waste yourself. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure. If you got time to waste it, baby. And I ain't worried about you. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on the night, I'll give you a clean mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. I mean, honestly, look over your eyes and see. This is what you need.
Today is Tuesday, and I'm just getting ready to go to work. So yeah, I'll be back checking with you guys. Last night, y'all, dinner was, oof, girl, that food was slapping. Make you want to slap your mammy. But anyway, I'll be back to check in with you guys later today. Hey dolls. So today is Thursday. April the 14th. And girl, I just finished washing my hair and like blowing it out. I don't really know how I'm gonna style it yet, so I just went ahead and blew it out so it'll already be washed and blown out. Y'all, I don't know how long my hair is now because it's not straightened yet, but it looks like it has grown, but I also need to trim and stuff. So but yeah, so it's hot as hell. That dryer got me hot, baby. But it's 12:34 in the evening, and I haven't eaten. I've drinking some water, but drinking. I drunk some water, but I have not eaten yet. And so right now I'm just about to put some lip gloss on. Y'all, I am in love with this Lancome Juicy Tubes. As you can see, it's almost gone. And is actually pre-selling for Lancome right now for gift. And I'm thinking about getting one of these in the mascara because I love their Hypnos Drama mascara. Baby, you want them lashes to be whooping. That's your mascara. And then these lips, baby, period. Period. But anyway, I'm just about to find something to slip on real quick. Y'all, my room is a mess. I have not cleaned up. I usually make my bed up as soon as I wake up, but girl, I don't know what it is. I really been having a lazy streak in me, baby. And you need to go and leave because I'm just throwing these pillows on my bed. I'm not really gonna make my bed up. I haven't been outside yet, so I don't know how it feels outside. But I'm probably just going to slip on just like a little jacket and some tights or something. Cause I ain't in the mood for no clothes for real. I don't know. I'm not in a bad mood, but I'm just in a want to be by myself. Don't want to be bothered mood. You know, just kind of be productive on my own and just like, you know, it's just one of those days. I go to the shop later on today, y'all. I got to face, I think around 2:30 or 3:30 or one of them. But I really am in the mood to eat some pancakes from Cracker Barrel. I should not, but it's just kind of in the mood. So probably gonna stop and get some of those. All right, so I found my studs. So I'm putting those on. And I'm just gonna find a sports bra. So yeah, I'm about to put on my sports bra and my pants. And then we're gonna get dressed and then we're gonna head out. This is one of my clients and family, y'all. Say hey to one of them.
Today's my 35th birthday.
Yes.
And Jess beat my face.
Yeah, she looks so pretty. Hey, Jazzy Doggy. Today is Sunday. Happy Easter, everyone. I just finished doing a face. But I'm gonna get ready to leave the shop, so I'm just gonna clean my brushes and just chit chat with you guys a little bit because I really don't even remember how much of this vlog I actually recorded. But I think I got a good bit of footage of content, but I'm not sure. I can't remember because I hadn't started editing it yet. But yeah, I'm just about to clean these brushes. I'm probably gonna take them home with me so I can clean them because I don't feel like doing it here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Today is Easter and Aiden actually spent the night with my dad last night, so he's not here. And we don't really have a lot planned today besides to go and eat seafood, of course. But I wish it was sunny out today, but it's not. But we're gonna still make the best of it, of course. But yeah. And y'all, this Too Faced primer is so good. It's so really good. But I gotta update my kit before prom. Like, I've been running out of stuff, like running low on foundations. I gotta get some more MAC. I gotta get some more Estee Lauder. And just stuff. Just a lot of stuff. Your girl need. Y'all, I found some really, really pretty lashes. These lashes came from the wig store, but it looks like this. It's the Remy 3D Invisible Band Human Hair Naturally Fluffy Lash in the number 5. These are so pretty. They just like a natural little lash, but it got like a little cat eye, wispy look. So it's not doing too much, but it's doing just enough. Brush is home with me so I can clean them. I usually do it here at the shop, but like I said, I don't feel like doing that. I'm ready to go. So that's what we're about to do. But yeah, so I will holler at y'all when I get home. Probably not gonna be doing too much or anything when I get home. I'm trying to decide if I wanna add us going to eat seafood in this vlog. If so, it'll be uploaded later in the day versus earlier, which I think will be fine because on Sundays, you know, it's Easter Sunday. A lot of people are probably with their families, getting ready for church and stuff. So they probably wouldn't see it this morning anyway. So I guess I can let y'all tag along with me for the day. And then I'll just upload this vlog tonight. Preferably before 7. Try to. Depending on how the Wi-Fi working. But anyway, see y'all later. Alright, so I am dressed, y'all. This is, just ignore my closet because it's a mess. So I am dressed, girl. I got my braided pony with my scrunchie. This little dress came from Old Navy. It has the pockets. It's giving a little number. Most definitely. And then I just have my Gianni bag. My snakeskin slides. These came from room 21. And my room is a mess, so just overlook it. But this is so cute. Beat my face, so pretty. My room is a mess, y'all. Y'all just got the excuse it, but view of my face. Cute. We got our bag.
The first thing is like, you know how you open it and all that fresh air.
One thing about it, we gonna eat us some seafood. Ain't that right, beige?
Yep.
Mine is for so long and telling us that we supposed to be getting one in Dothan, but girl, dang Didi. Oh, this shit hot. Thank you.
Anything else?
No, I think that's it for now. All right. This boy done ordered him a whole red velvet. Alright, do a taste test, baby. Taste test for the growth, for the doors. Oh. What it doing?
It's cold.
Let me taste it. Do me a piece. Cut me a piece. I want a part with the cream on them.
Alright.
Children will destroy a whole cake just to. Okay, he gonna give me this big old piece, y'all. All right, let me taste it. It's good. Let me taste another piece. It is good. It just need to like sit for a little bit so it can stop being so cold. But it, it's pretty good. Get one more piece. It just tastes like cake. It don't really necessarily taste like red velvet cake. It just tastes like cake. That was too good. Let's get the bill. Her. All right, y'all. So this is the end of the vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it so much. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will see y'all next week. Bye.